Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most eye-catching and unique PC cases out there. Out of the box, the Core P3 TG feels premium. Inside, you get the open frame chassis itself, tempered glass side panel, vertical and horizontal GPU brackets, hardware kit, riser cable, the Thermaltake Core P3 TG open frame chassis. Whether you're building a custom water cooling loop or just want to show off your RGB packed beast, this case is built to impress. The P3 is all about flexibility. You can mount it vertically, horizontally, or even wall mount it. Yes, you heard that right, on the wall like a piece of tech art. The open frame design isn't just for aesthetics, it also means unrestricted airflow, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Now let's talk about the actual build experience. The layout is incredibly modular, which gives you tons of room for creativity. Cable management is decent, especially considering it's an open case. If you're into water cooling, you'll love the P3. It supports up to 420mm radiators, tons of pump/reservoir mounting options, and looks stunning with custom loops. If you're someone who wants their build to be part of the room's aesthetic, maybe even a conversation starter, the Thermaltake Core P3 TG is hard to beat. It's not the easiest case for beginners, but for experienced builders and enthusiasts, this thing is a dream. So, what do you think of the Core P3 TG? Would you mount your rig on the wall? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome PC tech content. Until next time, happy building!